Assalamu alaikum, hi and welcome to our channel. I'm at City Choice, Dubai, located in Meena Bazaar, Dubai Mobile Market. Today we will review and unbox iPhone 15 Pro Max and share with you price, model, specs and new features of iPhone 15 series. We will cover iPhone 15 Pro Max processor, RAM, storage, display, front camera, rear camera, body, colors, features, battery, USB Type-C, operating system. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and subscribe our other channels and pages. Leave a comment about your favorite iPhone below and suggestions for the future videos. So let's start today's video. So friends, let's start today's video. We will review and unbox iPhone 15 Pro Max and share with you price, model, specs and new features of iPhone 15 series. As you can see, I'm trying to open the box, but it is a little bit difficult with one hand because I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to open the box, but I couldn't. I thank Akram bhai for his support. He opened the box, and as you can see, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max, natural titanium, and it looks very nice in hand, and it has soft edges compared to iPhone 14 Pro Max. And we will share all the details related to iPhone 15 Pro Max in a while. Now let us see the display. It is similar to display to iPhone 14 Pro Max, but what are the new things? The USB-C Type-C and this titanium frame, as well as action button. So we will discuss in a while all these new features and camera upgrade, as well as titanium frame. So we will discuss these features in today's video. And in box you will find Type-C cable. It is 1 meter high quality cable, and documentation of iPhone 15 Pro Max. And this is the box of natural titanium, and you can see blue titanium as well. So we will discuss all the details related to iPhone 15 Pro Max. We'll discuss about front camera, rear camera, action button, USB Type-C, display, colors, body, battery, processor, RAM and features, as well as storage, operating system. So let us talk about its front camera and rear camera. What are the specification of front and rear camera? At front we have 12 megapixel f1.9 aperture, 23 mm wide with OIS, which is image stabilization and video stabilization. So it is very good for stabilization. And the rear camera, there are three cameras, 48 megapixel and two 12 megapixel cameras. The 48 megapixel camera is f1.8 aperture with 24 mm wide. It comes with sensor shift OIS, which is very good for image and video stabilization. And the second camera is 12 megapixel f2.8 aperture with 120 mm periscope telephoto with 3D sensor shift OIS, which is again very good for video and photography stabilization. And it comes with 5x optical zoom, which is huge, and this is the unique feature of iPhone 15 Pro Max. It will give you 5x optical zoom, and if you compare it with the iPhone 15 Pro, there is 3x optical zoom. So the third camera is 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture with 13 mm ultra wide 120 degree, and it is amazing for photography and videography. Now let's talk about action button. The action button on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max opens an app or function with a press and hold. Action button features include silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, translate, magnifier, shortcut or accessibility, and you can also assign others functions as well. And now let's talk about the unique feature of iPhone 15 series, which is USB Type-C. USB Type-C 3 is in iPhone 15 Pro Max, and USB Type-C 2 is in iPhone 15 Pro. 3 is 10 gigabytes per second, and it is very fast. It enables charging, syncing data, playing audio and video. It allows you to charge and connect to many devices including Mac, iPad, AirPods Pro second generation, and external storage devices and displays. If you have SSD or any external storage, you can store directly using the USB type C. So it is a very good option and the unique option. And now let's talk about display of iPhone 15 Pro Max. It comes with Super Retina XDR display, 6.7 inch all screen OLED display. And now let's talk about colors. We have black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium. And we did unboxing of natural titanium. As you have seen, it is unique, beautiful, lightweight, and with soft edges compared to iPhone 15 Pro Max. And now let's talk about body of iPhone 15 Pro Max. Its front and back glass is made of Corning glass with titanium frame. As I said, the edges are soft. And now we'll talk about the battery. Its battery is 4422 mAh, and video playback is up to 29 hours, which is very good. And now let's talk about processor and RAM. Its processor is one of the latest Apple's A17 Pro chip, and it comes with 8 GB RAM. And other features include emergency via satellite SMS sending and receiving. If you don't have network, you can send and receive SMS via satellite. Face ID, it has accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. So these are the sensors available in iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if we talk about its storage, it comes in 3 storage, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. And now let's talk about operating system. It has iOS 17, which is the latest in iPhone 15 series. And now about the pricing. The price for 256 GB is 5049 dirham, and it is premium. If you want to buy now, you have to pay premium. It means you have to pay higher than the official price. This is the official price. If you cannot wait, if you want to buy now, you have to pay higher price. But if you wait, you can get the official price. And if you wait a bit more, then you will be able to buy it in even cheaper than the Apple official price. So if you want to buy now, the prices are high, but if you wait, you will get a good deal. And now let's talk about 512 GB of iPhone 15 Pro Max. 512 GB is 5099 dirham, and in Indian currency it is 134,000 PKR, 475,800. And you can see Bangladeshi Tika as well as Nepali rupees. Now as I told you, if you want to buy now, you have to pay higher price, the premium price, more than official price. The price I told you are official prices. And if you want to know the today's price, you can contact on the number given in the description. Akram bhai will update you today's latest price. So let's talk about 1 TB price, the official price. 1 TB of iPhone 15 Pro Max, it is 6,799 dirham. It's official price, but if you want to buy now in the market, you have to pay a premium higher price for this model, for this storage as well. But if you can wait, you will get in the same price, or if you wait a little bit more, you will get good deal and you will get in cheaper price. I will update you inshallah the prices. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe, share and like. And you can also check Amazon, Apple stores prices, and you can buy if you buy any product through Amazon, it will support our channel and will get a little bit commission. You will not pay any extra amount, you will pay the same amount, but it will be a good support for us if you buy something from Amazon. So friends, thank you for watching this video about iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing, specifications and review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our other channels. Leave a comment about your favorite iPhone color below and suggestions for the future video. And if you write okay in the comment section, I will give you like and heart. Until next time, take care of yourself, your loved ones and this channel. Ma salama.